Which of the following is not an output device? The right answer is scanner. A scanner is an input device used to capture image or text from physical documents into a digital format, and the printer, speaker, and monitor are all output devices. Here you see input device and output devices of computer. Keyboard, joystick, barcode reader, mouse, scanner is input device, and monitor, printer, headphone, and speaker is output device. Next question: which language is used to design web pages? HTML. Hypertext markup language is the standard markup language used to create and structure content on the World Wide Web. Which shortcut key is used to copy selected text in MS Word? The right answer is CTRL plus C. Which chart is best for showing trends over time? The answer is line chart. A line chart is ideal for displaying trends and changes in data over a continuous period, such as time, because it connects individual data points with a line. The Internet is a network of networks. The Internet is fundamentally a vast global system of interconnected computer networks that communicate using standard protocols. What is the full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator, which is the address used to specify the location of a resource, such as a web page on the Internet. Which of the following is a web browser? The right answer is Chrome. Google Chrome is a popular web browser application used to access and view websites. Google and Bing are search engines, and Yahoo is a web portal and search engine. Email stands for electronic mail. Email is the short form of electronic mail, a method of exchanging digital messages over the Internet or other computer networks. NPPCD was launched in which year? The answer is 2007. The National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness was launched by the Government of India in 2007. Which age group is targeted for early identification of hearing loss in children? The right answer is 0 to 6 months. Early identification of hearing loss is crucial and ideally targeted at birth or within the first few months of life to ensure timely intervention. Under NPPCD, which frontline worker plays an important role in community awareness? The answer is ASHA worker. Accredited social health activist workers are community health volunteers who play a vital role in raising awareness and facilitating access to health services at the grassroots level in India, including under programs like NPPCD. Which equipment is community used for hearing screening at primary level? The right answer is Autoacoustic Emission Device OAE. These are commonly used for newborn and infant hearing screening at primary healthcare levels because they are quick, non-invasive, and objective. Physical development is quantitative in nature. Physical development involves measurable changes such as growth in height, weight, and size, so it is quantitative in nature. Which agent of socialization provides children with their initial framework of values, norms, and beliefs? The right answer is family. The family is the primary agent of socialization. which is responsible for providing children with their initial understanding of value, norms, and beliefs. The next question is, what is the diagnostic hemoglobin threshold for anemia in the second trimester of pregnancy? Less than 0.5 gram per dl. According to WHO guidelines, anemia in the second trimester of pregnancy is defined by a hemoglobin concentration of less than 0.5 gram per dl. And you must know, when the hemoglobin level drop less than 7 gram per dl, it is termed as severe anemia. What is the primary cause of gestational diabetes? Increased insulin resistance. The primary cause of gestational diabetes mellitus (GDM) is the increased insulin resistance that occurs during pregnancy, typically second trimester, 24 to 28 weeks of gestation. Hormones produced by the placenta such as lactogen, estrogen, progesterone interfere with the body's ability to use insulin effectively, so this leading to high blood glucose level in the blood. What percentage of women with gestational diabetes later develop type 2 diabetes? The right answer is 25%. Approximately 25% of women who have gestational diabetes go on to develop type 2 diabetes in later life. Here you see the explanation or definition of type 2 diabetes. It is a chronic metabolic disorder characterized by persistent hyperglycemia. The meaning of hyperglycemia is high blood glucose level. It is mainly due to insulin resistance and a relative deficiency of insulin secretion rather than an absolute lack of insulin. What is the global prevalence of gestational diabetes? Answer is 10%. The global prevalence of gestational diabetes is estimated to be around 10%.